How's it going, everyone? I'm Dr. Brian Beer at Advanced Health Chiropractic down in the South Loop of Chicago, and today I'm with one of our longtime patients, Kachi. Kachi travels a lot for work, and so therefore he's sitting down in a car, commuting, and sitting for work in general. So he's got a lot of lower back pain. So what we're going to do is do a few adjustments to help loosen up that lower back and help relieve some of that lower back pain. So we're going to start off today with what's called an orthostim. It helps move the joint individually, helps loosen the tissue before the adjustment. Next thing I'm going to do is feel out the mid-back and get the mid-back adjusted. Here, go ahead and take a deep breath in and out. Nice. Check the pelvis, and then we're going to do what's called a flexion distraction. Now, flexion distraction for someone like Kachi is going to feel great because we're going to be decompressing and stretching out his lumbar spine or his low back, which is exactly what he needs. So you strap the feet down and you hold the back and you kind of stretch out like this. How's that feel, Kachi?
Feels great.
Excellent. Nice. Cross the arms. Feel out for the lower back. Right there. Take a deep breath in and out. There we go. Nice. From here, breathe in and out. Relax the shoulder. There we go. Go on your back because driving and commuting is hard on the whole spine, not just the back. Find the spot right there. Relax the head. There we go. Same thing on this side. Go ahead and drop your right shoulder down. There we go. Nice. From too much driving and working from a seated position. So if you like that video, make sure you like and subscribe. Follow us back on YouTube, and we'll catch you on the next one.